Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use your Google Lens in your PC using Google Chrome browser. Just like you use your Google Lens on your phone, you can use that to scan whatever device or image you have seen, and then Google Lens will now tell you whatever that image or item is about. So now to use our Google Lens, let's have access to our Google Chrome. Open our Google Chrome. Just as we have opened our Google Chrome, but before we do that, we have to search for something. So let's search for dog. Right, so these dogs have been here, but I don't know any of these dogs. So now I want to use my Google Lens to search and know what it is. Right, so now just go to your three dot here at the top here. Now you can see we have here search with Google Lens. Right, so click on that. Once you click on that, you can see that then the screen is now highlighted. So let's say I highlight this one. Right, as I highlight this, so I highlight this and leave that. Now you can see it generating the dog in the image is a beagle. Right, just as you see, it gives me more details and then links to read more about that dog. Just like that, I have been able to use the Google Lens to search for this dog. So the same thing applies. If I highlight this one, it's going to give me. Now what you have to do is that we have to pin this. In order for us to be able to be using it regularly just on this, you just have to pin it. So pin it. Right, once you pin, you can see that it has now moved here and it's now stuck as a button. So let's close this. Right, so if I scroll down, if I move down, let's say I want to search for this dog. So now if I see an image that I want to scan it, use the Google Lens again. So I'll just go and click on this camera here. Yes, as you can see, it just highlighted it. I can now highlight the image or whatever that I want. Right, just as I said, you can see it has now given me this image again. So that is just how easy and simple it is to use your Google Lens on Google Chrome. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.